recipe. It tastes so good, you're just confused. This supposed to be healing me? Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Untapped Healing, where we help you tap into your healing potential. In today's episode, I'm going to be sharing with you my alkaline guac recipe. I used to hate avocados, for real. And then my Dominican girlfriend was like, yo, Ale, you should try this. I know you don't like avocados, but you should try it. I was like, oh, let me try this. I tried it. I was like, oh, that right there is bomb. And I was like, okay, we gotta make that. And then since then, I actually grown to love avocados, even in their like natural pure state. And I feel like it was because I was like beginning my process of like detoxification and everything. So it was like my body might have been repelled by certain types of nutrients and might have messed up all the technology up here, you feel me? But now it's like completely in tune, and this guac is something that absolutely is like a topping on everything that I eat. Like I put the guac on my grains, I put the guac on my sandwiches, I put guac on everything. And today you're gonna find out my guac recipe. Let's tap in. All right guys, let's get into this guac recipe. Super quick, super easy. First and foremost, we are saying hello to our beautiful avocado friend here. We are doing it with the utmost beauty, very important. Utmost respect, because this guy is about to bless us so much. Just look at this divine energy I'm holding in my hand right now. Look at the amazing geometry that it's comprised of. Does it not look like the stomach of a pregnant woman to you? Avocados are amazing for pregnancies. It even like cut it in half, it literally looks like a pregnant woman. Chop up the onion. I got a food processor here, guys. I'm not really doing it by hand. I know the realest of the realest make the guac by hand. I'm not that real yet, guys. I don't know if I ever will be. Food processor just makes things a little convenient. I got a lot of things going on, and I like to be in and out, in and out. Cilantro, of course. I like to like blend my cilantro in parts, but a whole lot of cilantro. Cilantro is extremely essential. Scoop out the avocado now. That's it. Get your seed out of there. That's the most swag I could do it with. I'm sorry, guys. This right here is such a pretty avocado. Like, absolutely gorgeous. I'm so grateful. I'm absolutely so grateful. Want to throw in your organic tomatoes. Yo, everything here is organic. Everything here is organic. Ingredients will be in the description below. But yeah, you guys got it all. Really easy, really simple. Yeah, you're seeing me do it here. Oh, I really like tomatoes for the liquid. Like some people like putting water in their guac. I don't really like putting water in my guac. I feel like if I'm gonna add moisture to whatever it is that I'm making, it should like have swag to it. I feel like tomatoes have a swag to it like no other. It's like a nice tangy taste to it that it adds, and it's not, and it's really subtle. It's extremely subtle, but it's really good, and it's way better than adding water. I don't want puddle guac. I feel like tomatoes hold things together well, and it tastes good. You guys can give me what you guys put in your guac to add moisture if it's needed. I don't know. Drenching it in oil, I don't always think is the best either. And then last ingredient, organic pepper. I don't use pepper all the time. Sometimes I use the pepper, but this is to add more moisture. So like add moisture and a little bit of taste, nothing crazy. But I mean, it all depends on what you want. You don't have to add the pepper, it's not essential, but if you want it to be, I mean, why not? It's a blessing. I don't typically use a lot. So you got the pepper in there, you got the tomatoes in there, you got the avocados in there, you got the cilantro in there. Now you take the lime, squeeze some lime in here. Make sure you get all the lime in there. I'll probably use the rest of this tomato for moisture if I'm seeing any problems with it in there. I guess I'll put some more cilantro to top it off. And yeah, I keep the stems because I actually like eating the stems. I mean, you can cut the stem off if you want, but I'd suggest eating the stems. They're extremely nutritious. So as you can see, it needs a little more moisture. Instead of adding water, I'll be adding my tomato. More tomato and more cilantro, because you can never have too much cilantro. I'll drown in the cilantro only because like gotta stay super alkaline. Gotta have your body at tip top shape. But then the tomato is what really like balances everything out. Adds that needed moisture. Guac is looking very good. Looking very good. Looking very good. Taste it up. Guac is just about done here, guys. Almost forgot a very important thing to add to the mix. Make sure you get your pink Himalayan sea salt. Get all your essential trace minerals in there. And just put the amount of salt you want to taste. Like I drink distilled water all day, so like I get all my minerals and nutrients from the fruits I eat and from the salt. So I mean, I never have a problem putting a bunch of salt in my food sometimes. Not crazy salty or anything, but just like tasty. Yo, and we there. Oh my gosh. It's different. It's different. Yo. And that's all, guys. This is right here. This right here. I'm gonna transfer it over to this bowl. It's like, I usually do my guacs in twos, so I'll put two avocados in, and then this will last me like 2 days. I know I'm probably not doing it right by the guac gods. I know the guac gods only eat it fresh. Whole bunch of omega-3, 6s, and 9s, and all the nutrients found in cilantro, and all the nutrients found in peppers, and all the nutrients found inside tomatoes, and all the nutrients found in Himalayan sea salt, and all the nutrients found in red onions, and all the nutrients found in key limes. Yo, do y'all understand? Like, this is just like straight love. Look at that alkaline guac right there. Oh my goodness. Tastiest guac on the internet. Let's get it. And that's it for my guacamole recipe, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Please, if you tried it out, let them know in the comment section how you enjoyed that. Please understand that when you go forth and you start applying these healthy recipes into your life, everything about you is just gonna start glowing. You're just gonna start soaring. Your energy gonna be crazy. Just everything about you is just taken to a whole nother level. And especially with the amount of omega-3, 6s, and 9s inside of guac. Please understand, this is the sneakiest way to get in these omega-3, 6s, and 9s that are essential for your body to function. So, I mean, it's so sneaky. It tastes so good, you're just confused. This is supposed to be healing me? And that's it for today, guys. Absolutely love you guys, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Stay well. And then that's pretty much it. After you chop up all the vegetables, chop up your onions, put it in and everything, I'm telling you, literally, you get the most amazing alkaline stew you have ever tasted in your life.